people believe that electricity and magnetism are two completely unique forces. However, they probably have a lot more in common than you may think. They're used in a variety of technologies, and they even hold us all together. But what is this force, and what does it do? Electromagnetism is the interaction of electric currents and magnetic fields. Much of the information on electromagnetism was discovered by a physicist named James C. Maxwell. He discovered that light, magnetism, and electricity all come from the same force. He also discovered that when two particles with charge interact, they share protons, which causes them to either attract or repel each other. He created a series of equations that proved all of these theories. All atoms have a charge, whether positive, neutral, or negative. As the charge of an atom is changed, a magnetic field may begin to form. And the attraction and the magnetic field will either be attractive if the atoms have opposite charges, or they will repel each other if they have the same charge. And the force of electromagnetism is used in a variety of technologies. One technology where electromagnetism is employed is on magnetic levitation trains. Maglev trains operate by having a series of magnets underneath and on the sides of the train and a series of electromagnets on the track. The electromagnets on the undercarriage of the train have identical charges, which allows the train to levitate a few centimeters above the track. This levitation allows the train to avoid slowing. It allows the train to avoid the slowing force of friction. The electrical charge running through the magnets on the side of the train alternate the poles of the magnets, changing the magnetic forces they are exerting. The alternating poles cause the magnets to both pull the train forward and repel it from behind. The faster the poles are changing, the faster the train is able to travel. This allows the train to travel almost 600 kilometers per hour, which is almost 6 times faster than the DC Metro. Another technology where electromagnetism is present is the MRI machine. The MRI machine creates a magnetic field that aligns with the protons in the body. The MRI technician then introduces another force that forces the protons into an alignment that is against the magnetic field. When the new force stops, the protons realign with the magnetic field, releasing photons that are recorded by the MRI scanner. Because different parts of the body release photons at different speeds, the MRI technicians are able to identify which part of the body is which, like the brain, the lungs, and the heart, and diagnose a multitude of potential illnesses. As you can see, electromagnetism plays a big part in our world and improves the quality of life for people across it. Electromagnetic force is incredibly important to us and our universe.